You probably think the documentary you're watching right now was made by a big production team and took weeks to create, but it wasn't. This entire documentary was created using AI. And the craziest part? I didn't even need a detailed script or complex prompts. Today, I'll show you how to create cinematic documentary videos using Hedra AI and its powerful agent feature. First, click Hedra link in the description and log in with your Gmail account. Once inside, you'll see multiple templates, but today we're using the agent. The agent works like your personal AI filmmaker. I will simply type hi to it. Now, let's say I want to create a 1-minute bank robbery documentary. I simply tell the agent what I want. It starts by asking a few smart questions, like the style of documentary. I'll choose dark and realistic. Then it asks where the story should begin. I'll start outside the bank. Based on my answers, Hedra automatically generates a detailed image prompt for the first scene. You can edit the prompt if you want, but I'll keep it as it is. Now I choose my image model, Nano Banana Pro, adjust the aspect ratio and quality, and approve. Within seconds, the first cinematic scene is generated. But it doesn't stop there. Hedra immediately creates a matching image-to-video prompt. Again, you can tweak it. Choose your video model, set the duration, adjust quality. I'll select Grok Video and confirm. And just like that, the first animated scene is ready. Now I simply ask the agent for the next scene. It generates the next image prompt. Approve, generate, approve the video, and repeat. In just a few minutes, you have multiple cinematic scenes ready. Once we have all the videos ready, now again, come back to Home tab. Here you will find an inbuilt edit video feature so that you don't need any other software. Once you click on it and tap of Add Video option, it will show us all the videos we had just created. We will simply add all the videos, arrange them in correct order, add cuts and transitions as you want, and here is the final output. This isn't just for crime documentaries. You can create history videos, storytelling content, mini films, anything you imagine. Here is another video I created using Hedra.
Wow, look at this incredible glowing jungle. Are you ready for an adventure? Who knows what mysteries we'll uncover next? Whoa, I've never seen anything like this before. This is what we've been searching for.
And if we talk about pricing, Hedra starts at just $10 per month, which is impressive considering the automation it provides. If you want to try it yourself, Hedra link is in the description and pinned comment. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Revron for more AI tutorials.